Hey Blender fans, it's great to have you here again. In today's episode, we're diving into 5 amazing Blender assets and the talented individuals behind them. 1. Introducing the Desert Village Blender models by Luigi Marini. These models are perfect for creating realistic desert scenes. With detailed buildings, palm trees and more, these models are sure to impress. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the Desert Village Blender models today. 2. Animated Octopus. Low-poly and game-ready animated octopus model by Maggie. Seamless, looping swim animation and animated skin movements. The model has a clean quad-only topology and contains 50,997 vertices and 51,010 polygons. The rig contains 148 bones, 18 in each leg and 4 head bones. 8K PBR textures. Available on Blender Market. Check out the animation. 3. Do you need some cool car logos for your next project? Check out this awesome collection of 25 car logos created by Rockviz. Perfect for your next 3D project. These logos are made with high-quality 3D models, and they are all available for download at Blender Market. So what are you waiting for? Download your copy today and start creating your amazing 3D projects. 4. Drink Pack by NM8. The package consists of 11 juice packages with coated paper shader and UV map for print design. Models are optimized with detail modifiers, shaders are customizable for a coated carton appearance, and UV maps ensure texture alignment on unfolded cartons. The package also includes a drinking straw, an original Tetra Pak design, a flexible aluminum bag with wrinkles, and heat-shrunk plastic foil created using modifiers. And best of all, these models are affordable and easy to use. 5. Mechanical Component Asset Packs Bundle created by Nivarp. The asset pack for kitbashing mechanical components includes over 120 assets in 2 volumes with different modifiers for easy use in Blender. Simply drag and drop models into the scene, adjust as needed, set camera angles, add lighting, and enhance creativity. So these were the top 5 Blender assets videos, and we recommend you to go and check out these models on the Blender Market. The links are given in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Share this video with your friends and comment below what you'd like to see next. Until then, stay tuned and we'll see you in the next one.